Pero may question ako dyan. So, lahat ba ng nagnenegosyo yung mayaman?
Definitely, hindi.
Okay.
Because, for some, it takes a lot of skills, a lot of hard work, a lot of frustrations and sacrifice in order for you to be successful in entrepreneurship. But one thing that hindi ginagawa ng maraming mga tao is that, for me, yung mga hindi nagsasucess is dalawang bagay. Number one, those people who are not trying, those people who are keeping safe lang, nasa safe zone lang sila palagi. That's why they're not getting the result that they want. And the second people are those who are pushing too far, risking everything, at nauubos yung tinatawag nilang cash flow. That's why kahit na meron pa silang motivation, gusto pa nilang mag-business, hindi na nila magawa because they lack cash. So in short, hindi lahat pinapalad at certain time.
Yes.
But if you're gonna push through for it, for sure, kaya naman talaga maging successful.
Anong masasabi mo? Kasi sinabi mo kanina na yung dati nag-work ka ng 8 to 5, 15,000, baka yung mga empleyado ko mag-resign. And then, ano ba yung sa tingin mo na ginawa mo?
Yeah.
Na hindi kasi lahat, sabi mo nga, hindi lahat para sa business and hindi lahat nagiging successful. Ano ba yung ginawa mo?
When I did this, I want to bring all of the people with me, including all of my friends nung college and everything. But one thing that I figured out is that not everyone is willing to change.
Yes.
Even though they've seen a lot of people becoming millionaires. Sobrang dami ngayon. Di ba, mga bata, 18 years old, 19 years old, 20 years old. You have a guest here, only 22, 23 years old, CEO. But you know what? I realized that even though I got the result, I'm telling people, this is the new thing. Sinasabi ko sa lahat, ito na yung gawin nyo, nagawa ko na, susundan nyo na lang, a lot of people doesn't want to change.
Yes, that's correct. And ang nakikita ko, ang daming nag-a-attend ng training, hindi naman nila na-apply.
Yeah. In the internet, there's a lot of ways para kumita.
Yes.
There's this e-commerce, there's this crypto, and a lot of crazy things that you can do online. However, right now, it depends on the people who wants to make use of that opportunity.
Yes.
Because opportunity is everywhere. However, not all people wants to get that opportunity.